Welcome to Jeffrey's Travels. We're here at Estrella County Park, here in the Casa De Oro community. Now we're gonna discover this brand new park that was just opened recently, and we're gonna give you guys a tour of what to expect at this really neat and very natural park. Andale! So at the beginning, we're gonna have to walk down this little pathway to get to the official park. So you're gonna have to have your walking shoes on. It's gonna be tough if you're on a wheelchair. Now, Casa De Oro is actually Spanish. Now, casa means house, and oro means gold. So translation, Casa De Oro means house de gold. A lot of crows out here too. If you have a fear of crows, be warned. A little break here now. All of the plants out here are part of the natural environment already. So none of these plants were imported from China. They're all just here, local native plants. So the park actually just opened December 18th, 2020. Before, it was just a dirt field. And now they put lots of fun swings and slides. We're almost there. Let's get to it.
So athletic.
Check it out. The suspension bridge right here. Get some cool footage of this bridge. Get a close-up of that wood. It's all wood here. A few metal screws too.
I'm a little nervous. So I think you could.
Okay.
You can go.
Yeah. Well, but ladies first.
What happens if it breaks?
Ladies first.
Oh, okay.
But it'd be good footage. So clearly, there's lots of wobble going on this bridge. All right, we better get off it before we break it. We have two slides here at Estrella County Park. This short one, and then there's a longer one there. I'm gonna test it out, make sure that it's safe. Most of the park is very natural. Now, the slides here and maybe a few other things are probably the only plastic here at the park. This park has mainly wood chips right here. It's very soft. You really can't get splinters on these. Here, get a good shot of those wood chips. Look, look, no splinters. These are eucalyptus tree stumps. The county doesn't want to use plastic for fun. Instead, we use wood for fun, okay? Wood fun over there, and another stump there. Encavement area here. So it's like you can pretend you're in a wooden prison. Think of how much fun you can have as a kid just pretending like you're in prison. It's so cool, so progressive.
You got the jumpsuit and everything. What'd you find?
You gotta check this out now. There is one swing out here in the park, and it's a different swing. It's not your traditional swing. What you do is you take your small human and you put it here, and then you do the swing. Again, Very different, unique. It's mostly natural. There's a little bit of plastic in there. That might be my only complaint, but you know, what are you gonna do? All this park costs about $1.4 million. $1.4 million for this 6.66 acre plot of land.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
The people want to see the bridge.
Yeah, nice.
Now this is truly something. We have these benches. So basically this is how you use the benches. You sit down, you have a seat, and if you have a pack of food or a food pack, you can just eat here and you can watch the performance. I'm gonna go ahead and do a performance for you. It's gonna be a dance performance.
I'm so excited.
So this might be the very first dance performance here at the park. And that was a metaphor for today's social issues. Well, all of that interpretive dance made me want to sit down on a piece of tree. This is only phase 1, by the way, of the park. Phase 2 is going to include a parking lot. If you come by here to visit the park, you might miss it because it's just so well blended in to the natural environment that sometimes you'll miss it. But come on out, check it out, and do a little performance, play on the swings and the slides. And we'll see you next time
on Jeffrey's Travels. Stick the chin into the back of your throat, smile, breathe. You're not even breathing.